The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the Yug Group of Forces, aviation and artillery fire have eliminated up to 160 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles and 1 D-20 howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces inflicted fire damage on Ukrainian units close to Ugledar, Novomikhailovka in Donetsk People's Republic and Preobrazhenka in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses amounted to more than 30 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks, as well as 1 D-30 howitzer. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized over 40 Ukrainian troops, 3 motor vehicles, 2 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzers, and 1 US-made M777 artillery system during the day. In total, 403 airplanes, 223 helicopters, 3,502 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,363 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,403 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,039 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 960 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 166,570 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,552 tanks, 6879 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky pleased to welcome to Kyiv Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida. Japan is a truly powerful defender of the international order and a longtime friend of Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 21, 2023.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!